Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Black EP3 in the house. This one's had some cams, some drag cartel dropping cams, a Skunk2 Inlet Manifold, a throttle body, a Dynodaze Induction kit. Now it's time for a map after Richard has fitted some injectors, so we're ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Don't forget guys, we have got a sponsor. It's worldoflubricant.co.uk. It's about the only thing you need to make sure of on a K20 is that you've got good oil levels. It's all about oil pressure for VTEC. So do go and check them out. www.worldoflubricant.co.uk. Use the code DYNO, D-Y-N-O, at the checkout. Save yourself some money.
EP3, bit of work this one, Rich.
Yeah, got quite a lot on it to be fair. Yeah, we fitted a timing chain, a set of drag cartel drop-in cams, valve clearances, rock cover gasket, oil and filter, Skunk2 Inlet Manifold, Skunk2 Throttle body, Dynodaze Induction kit, idle air assist delete. I think that's about it. I think that's what we did. He asked us to check the exhaust manifold, see if it was leaking. It's not leaking. He did provide a new gasket in case it was, but it all looked good. The only thing I don't like on this car is the exhaust. I'm not sure what make of exhaust it is.
It's somewhat modified.
It is. It's very, very raspy. I think it was 3-inch or 2.7. It might have been 2.75. But it's got like a resonator been added to it, hasn't it? And you can tell, and I don't know whether someone's just put a
It's just kind of stepped down.
I think it's a smaller resonator. What I think they've done is they took a 2.5 inch or a 2 1/4 resonator, trying to quieten it down, put that in there, welded it in, and it's not actually at full flow. Reason that I'm saying that is with cams and with everything on, we can make 240 out of one of these without the cams. Now, putting the cams in this is limited. We've limited at 241,
and that may be limited at peak power because of flow.
I believe so. I absolutely believe. I almost want to take the exhaust off, cut that box out so I can see the diameter of the box inside.
Yeah, you sort of have to ask customers before you.
Well, obviously, yes, I can't.
I think
do
we
that.
finished on 243.
Yeah, we finished on 243. Oh,
added.
definitely, 100%. This car's at least 15 brake horsepower dynamite, but we should be heading towards the 260s easy. With the right modifications. I think what we should suggest to him at this point is probably look at getting a Tegiwa 70mm or something and getting that on this car, because I believe that it should make more power than that. And just at the top end, I don't know whether you noticed as well as I did, but it just didn't quite sound right. It's a weird thing to say, I know, but it just didn't sound right.
It's almost like a dry limiter, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, should we have a look at that graph?
Let's look at the graph.
Well, there's the graph. Looking good at 243. 210 at the wheels, pretty good. So another one in the bag. Thanks for watching till the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll catch you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Well, indeed.
We will indeed.